Hi guys, this is a video to help you with the percent change homework for tonight. So basically our task is to create a meal from our favorite restaurant, real or imaginary, to find the tax on that meal at San Francisco's 8.625%, and then tip on that meal. You can choose how much you want to tip on the bottom of this page. So I'm going to show you just how I'm completing this. You're going to use different numbers because you'll have a different favorite restaurant. All right, so the restaurant I'm choosing is Dinosaurs. It's right down the street from our school. It's delicious if you haven't been there. My three items that I'm going to choose are the fresh spring rolls. I like the tofu and terra spring rolls. So I'm just going to copy that, put it in here as my item one. How much was that? That's $9.90. For my second item, actually just to get this and the Thai iced tea, but I'm gonna add for my second item, I'm gonna add on avocado, and that's $2. Okay. So then my final item is gonna be a Thai iced tea, and I like it with the coconut creamer. So I'm gonna go over here and say Thai iced tea. I can't remember how much that was again. Okay, so $5.50 plus the 75 cents. I'm going to do it like this. Plus 0.75 plus. Okay, because I like it with coconut. Okay, so total item for the meal, I could add those up. I'm just going to go like this, paste it in here, and say plus, and my total is $18.15. This just, if you paste it into Google, it just gives you a calculator like that. So $18.15. I'm just going to copy that, put that here. Okay, so now I need to know 8.625% of 1815. So I know in order to find a percent, I'm just going to multiply it by 8.625 over 100, or move my decimal point twice and get 0.08625. So on here, I'm going to multiply by my decimal. Okay, and in that decimal, I'm going to say 8.625%, and we know percent is over 100, so I'm just going to leave it like this. I could also write that as a decimal. I could also write it or divide and then multiply it. I'm going to multiply it out like this. So to get 8.625% of 1815, so that's $1.56, actually rounds to 57 because we have that 0.5. So I'm going to say $1.57. Now I could have also multiplied this by 100%, 108.625% to get the two together, but I decided just to do it separately. So then I'm going to go back over here and say, okay, so I have $18.15 plus I tip $1.57 equals $19.72. Okay, so that's my meal plus my tax. It's going to cost me just under 20 bucks. So then tip amount, how much I'm going to tip. I pretty standard across the board just tip 20%. So I'm going to assume that I'll do 20%. And I normally just estimate, so I would say I would find my 10% and then do it twice. So on this one, I would say 10% is $1.90, and $1.90 plus $1.90 approximately, or I would probably just say $2 plus $2. But I'm going to be more precise for us this time. So I'm going to say 20% of this 1972. So times, let's do the same way we did it. 20% or 20 divided by 100, or 0.2, same thing. That's going to give me $3.94. So I probably put this on my credit card. I'm just going to click 20%, $3.94. So my total cost for my meal would be $19.72 plus $3.94. So I'm going to say plus 19.72, $19.72. So total $23.66. $23.66. Okay, so this number right here is going to be my total amount that I'm spending for my delicious meal of spring rolls with avocado and a vegan Thai iced tea. The last part of your homework, what percent did you tip and why? And I would say I tipped 20%, because it was good service, and that's my standard tip amount for me. You guys can choose what tip amount you want to give and just give your reason. The second part, what amount did I tip? So I would say I tipped $3.94, and I found that by multiplying 20% by my total. And I would say I multiplied my 20% by my total plus tax, because I tipped on the tax. Sometimes people choose to not tip on the tax. Again, entirely up to you. Just clarify what you did on these bottom two questions. All right, I hope this video helps. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment here or come see us during office hours. Have a great day, you guys.